Jai Sanskar. In previous segment we have discussed about, in previous section we have discussed about how I can say something is alive or not. And we started our discussion with autotrophs. Autotrophs are organisms which are able to synthesize their own food. For example, all the plants and certain algae which are able to synthesize their own food. To synthesize their own food, the minimum requirement is availability of carbon dioxide, water and chloroplast. Certain things are already there in plant which is called chloroplast. Rest two needs are satisfied with an outer environment which could be carbon dioxide and water. Water and carbon dioxide can be obtained with the help of stomatal pores. These pores are on the outer surface of leaves, and these pores opens and closes on the basis of requirement and allow certain gases to pass through it. From environment, these gases go inside the stomatal pore, and from this pore they go up to the place where it is required. So this particular thing is called stomata. When there is a water availability is less, in that case these guard cells, kidney is being that structure, these are guard cells. These guard cells swells up, and when this guard cell swells up, this is like this process. If these two are getting swelled, that means the central part is going to swell up. So in this particular hole, gases or water can pass through this hole. And if there is no requirement of gas or water, these guard cells, again these two are guard cells, these guard cells shrinks, and by shrinking the guard cell, the door which was there previously is going to close. This one is called open stomatal pores, this one is called closed stomatal pores. So massive amount of gas exchange is done over here on the leaf surface with the help of stomatal pore. So this is a process which is called diffusion. If there is a requirement, guard cell will open, no requirement, guard cells shrink and the pore is closed. So this is a diffusion process. So this is okay for the plants, and there are certain type of unicellular organism also which can perform this activity. Now let's start with the activity 6.2. In this activity, what you are supposed to do? You are supposed to take two potted plants. These two are potted plants. Let's call this one A plant. Let's call this one as a B plant. So we are supposed to put these two plants in obviously dark room for 3 days. Then we'll bring this particular jar in a sunlight and we'll put this big bell jar on it. This is appears like a bell, so we'll call them as a bell jar. So we'll use this bell jar and put it over here. Okay, so what happens in this particular A potted plant? We have also here potassium hydroxide in it. So potassium hydroxide will react with carbon dioxide present in it. So there won't be any carbon dioxide, and you know for photosynthesis to occur there is a requirement of carbon dioxide. In next chart we do not get potassium hydroxide inside, so there will be the presence of carbon dioxide. We also apply certain gas over here or Vaseline over here for a starch test, then we will see that in plant A there is no starch formation and there is a plant B in which starch formation occurs. Because for photosynthesis to occur, there is a requirement of chloroplast as well as there is a requirement of carbon dioxide gases. In these two do have chloroplast, but this one was not. This one also having sunlight. This one is also having sunlight. They have enough amount of soil and water, but the thing which this plant do not have was carbon dioxide. So by performing this certain activity, we could know that for photosynthesis to occur, these three are really requirement things which are there, then only the photosynthesis can occur. Next is heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophs are one who prepare their food by themselves. Heterotrophs are those who do not prepare their food by themselves. They depend on other things to get the nutrition. These kind of organisms have heterotrophic nutrition. So they get nutrition from the outer side, but they are heterotrophs, so they will use another plant, another animal. So food source could be a stationary or a mobile. Like they can survive on the plants as well as they can survive on the mobile like deer and other animals. So getting this nutrition process are different in different organisms. Like if lion ની વાત કરીએ તો એ પોતાનું જે ફૂડ હશે એને કિલ કરશે, પછી એને તોડી બાઇટ કરીને હે ને ઈટ કરશે. કાઉની કે એની વાત કરીએ તો એ જનરલી પ્લાન્ટને ઇમોબાઇલ જેને કે સ્ટેશનરી ફૂડ છે એને લેશે. કાઉની અંદર તમે ઓબ્ઝર્વ કરશો તો એ ખાવા ટાઈમે દરેક વસ્તુને ચાવ્યા વિના ખાશે અને જ્યારે શાંતિથી બેઠી હશે ત્યારે એને કડને ચ્યુ કરી શકશે. So આ એબિલિટી એનિમલ્સમાં છે. ન્યુટ્રિશન કેવી રીતે ગેઇન કરે છે. તમે સ્નેક કે અજગરને ઓબ્ઝર્વ કરશો તો એ પોતાનું ફૂડ જે છે એને સ્વોલો કરશે એટલે આખું ગળી જશે. સેમ સર્ટેન ટાઈપના ડક વગેરેની અંદર બી આ પર્ટિક્યુલર સ્ટ્રેટજી છે. whatever food is there, they used to swallow it. એને ગળી જશે અને પછી ફૂડ જે છે એ એમના બોડીની અંદર પ્રોસેસ થશે અને ડાયજેસ્ટ થશે. હ્યુમન્સનું કેવું છે, પોતાના ફૂડને કુક કરશે, પ્રોસેસ કરશે અને પછી એને ટૂથ વડે ચ્યુ કરી અને પોતાના બોડીની અંદર ન્યુટ્રિશનને મોકલશે. સો ધીઝ આર વેરાયટી ઓફ થિંગ how they are taking their nutrition from the environment or the autotrophs. That's all for now. Next we'll discuss in next segment. Thank you.